Hello, good morning, friends and colleagues. In this video, I would like to talk about a new feature that are advert groups. The idea is that you may want to have a set of adverts that are played in a specific order or in a random order, but you want them to be played at least the same number of times, and you want to be able to update the adverts easily and have maybe different groups of adverts that may need to be played during different parts of the match, but also have a tool to make players presentations, for example, and at the same time have a report at the end of how many times each video has been played and at what time it had been played. So here is the concept of an advert group. An advert group is a group of adverts that will be defined by the content that is inside the folder, right? Advert groups also has a policy, is to say a criteria for how to select the next advert to be played. For the moment, you have two choices: a sequential, is to say a round robin strategy, one after the other, and then you go back to the first, and a random selection. It picks one of the adverts of the group that is being playing, and it presents it to the place that you have decided. The random selection is made between the elements that are played the same number of times, the maximum number of times less one, is to say you are not going to have the same video one and another one because it's a random one, right? So we will guarantee that all the videos will be played the same number of times, even though it's a random or it's a sequential policy, right? You also have a video in the advert group that is the default one for the case that you have removed all the content of the advert group and you may want something to be presented and not leave the output in blank, right? So let's go to have a look at how you can configure it. It's configured in the scoreboard edition. It means you may have different advert groups for different sports, right? So here we have the button, Advert Groups. You just click on it, and here you can have a set of advert groups. In this case, we have a video show advert group and a rest time. The rest time is groups all the adverts that will be playing during the rest time of the match. An advert group has a name to identify it, right? Rest time, rest time. For the moment, the source of advert is a folder that you may select. You may click here to open that folder and see the content of the folder. In this case, is empty. And you have a default advert. You may select if the order will be sequential or random. Okay, it's so easy. It's as easy as this. You may have different advert groups that point to different folders, and when you copy a media to that folder, it will be automatically loaded. You don't have to indicate individual files, just copy them. You may synchronize it with a Google Drive option or a thing like that, right? You don't have to do it manually in the computer, just to have an idea of other possible uses. So you may define here all the advert groups, and in the next video we will see how we can present the content of the advert groups, to say how to play the videos in an automatic way. So that's all for advert groups. I hope it has been clear for you. You can use it in many situations. The difference between an advert group and a video slideshow basically is that video slideshow will not generate reports about the number of times it has been played, etc., but the reproduction of advert groups will, right? So we will go to the next video to see how you can place the advert groups in your scoreboard. Have a great day. Bye.